Inkmaster flushing system and accessories and controls. The Inkmaster unit is this box here. The Inkmaster will come with tubing to interconnect the Inkmaster with your printer and a waste tank. It will also come with a power supply, a cord for the power supply, and an adapter to adapt the power supply to Inkmaster. I'll show you where you connect and how to connect the lines that connect between the printer and Inkmaster, and then the waste tank and Inkmaster. Okay, on the side of the Inkmaster unit, you have pump 1, pump 2, pump 1 in, pump 1 out, pump 2 in, pump 2 out. Okay, I would connect pump 1. You pull off these caps. These caps are to prevent any solution that's left in the pumps when you finish using it from leaking out. Okay, you take your ink line, you connect the input of pump 1 here. This is the suction side of the pump. You connect the output from pump 1, which is the dump side, to out, just like that. To now demonstrate how to connect the power supply. Okay, the power supply connector is on the side of the machine here. Alright, and what you need to do is locate the adapter. You plug the power supply into the adapter, and you plug the adapter into the side of the unit. Then you locate the power cord for the power supply. You plug it into the power supply. You connect the power end of that power supply to an AC power source. The power source can be anywhere between 100 and 240 volts AC. Okay. I would like to point out that before you connect the power supply, move the dial readings to 0 so that the pump won't come on when you initially plug it in. Okay, the idea is that you power it up with the dials on 0, and then you increase the dial setting after you've got everything connected, and you put the setting wherever it is that you want to run it, and the pumps come on and will run at that setting. We highly recommend the use of safety goggles and latex gloves while using Inkmaster. The latex gloves we recommend are the white gloves. The green and blue gloves have a tendency to tear from our experience, and we recommend these white gloves. They seem to hold up much better. The goggles that we recommend are the type with a head strap to keep the goggles from sliding off your face while you're working. That way you don't need to worry about the goggles getting out of place while you're working. You can just concentrate on what you're doing. We also recommend the type, doesn't have to be this exact model, but the type that wrap around your eyes completely on all sides and seal against your face. This is to help prevent solution and ink from hitting your eyes while working. We also recommend that others working with you have these same safety devices and they're using them properly. We recommend that people working around you that are not actively involved in your work on the printer be kept 30 feet or 10 meters away from where you work.